If you happen to own a Ford F-150 that was manufactured between 2021 and 2023 and is equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, there's an exciting opportunity to give your truck a substantial power boost. Ford Performance has recently introduced a new Supercharger kit that can significantly increase the horsepower of your vehicle. With this setup, your truck's output can reach an impressive 700 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. To avail yourself of this upgrade, you'll need to invest $12,350 in the kit. The kit comprises a 3.0-liter Whipple supercharger designed specifically to enhance the performance of the V8 engine. By incorporating this supercharger, you can augment the stock output of your truck's engine, which stands at 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. However, it's important to note that this supercharger kit is not compatible with trucks equipped with the Pro Power Onboard system. Nevertheless, this upgrade is approved for use in all 50 states, so you won't have any legal restrictions. In addition to the supercharger, Ford is also offering some styling upgrades as part of the package. Buyers have the option to choose between the Black Edition and the Bronze Edition, both of which are available at the same price. Both editions feature 22-inch wheels with a stylish 6-spoke design, complemented by black lug nuts. Moreover, a black grille enhances the front end of the truck. For added visual flair, stripes decorate the sides of the bed, and a rear lowering kit is included. Inside the cabin, Ford Performance carpeted floor mats and an FP700 interior badge provide a touch of exclusivity. With this supercharger upgrade, your F-150 will have more power than the Raptor trim, which boasts 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. It's worth noting, however, that this upgrade doesn't include the off-road-oriented components found in the Raptor. Furthermore, while the output of this kit falls slightly short of the Raptor R 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, it does offer a viable alternative for those who don't intend to subject their F-150 to demanding off-road conditions. Meanwhile, Ford is also gearing up to introduce updates to the F-150. Kumar Galhotra, the president of Ford Blue Division, recently shared some insights into the forthcoming changes. The company's plan involves streamlining the F-150 lineup by reducing the number of available configurations and eliminating approximately 2,400 parts from the truck. This strategic move aims to simplify the engineering, testing, and quality management processes associated with the F-150. While specific details regarding the refreshed F-150 exterior styling enhancements remain under wraps, it's expected that both the front and rear of the truck will receive updates. Inside the cabin, a revised center stack can be anticipated. These changes are anticipated to be introduced in the 2024 model year.